Okay, I'm sorry. I'm being weird right now because I'm bored. It's about 9 o'clock in the night. So, yeah. And look, I'm wearing my new pillow case, using it. Yeah. Ah. Why are you jumping on me? Why are you jumping on me? Because I like to. I know, whatever. Stop making so much noise! Yeah. Bye. See ya. Oh, by the way, watch the adoption of my Midnight Monster. Ziggo.